This is how to add slide in Gamma AI. From your dashboard, select the Gamma presentation. On the left-hand menu, you can see New button. So just click that one, and a slide has been added at the bottom. If you want to add a slide between cards, you can hover between the two slides and just click this plus icon and you have a slide added. You can also add a slide with your specific topic using AI. Just click this 3 stars icon here and describe what kind of slide you want to make. For instance, banana recipes, and just click magic and just hit enter. So this is how to add slide in Gamma AI.